Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to prepare the viral Dalgona coffee which is trending all over the internet in just 2 minutes using 3 ingredients and no machines. For this we'll need few ice cubes, few chocolate pieces. This is optional, you can make it without the chocolate also. We'll need chilled milk, this depends upon your need. Then we'll need sugar. Then we'll need some instant coffee, Nescafe or brew whatever. Then we'll need some lukewarm water and then some chocolate syrup. This is totally optional. Now let's start making it. First we will take 2 teaspoons of sugar in any container or bowl. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee after the sugar. Now we'll add 2 teaspoons of warm water. So 2 teaspoons of these ingredients will make 1 glass of Dalgona coffee. So now we'll whisk it well with a spoon or a hand blender. I have used a spoon here, but you may use an electric hand blender or a normal blender. We have to do it till we get a thick mixture like this. Okay, when you get that, it's ready. Now we will pour chocolate sauce around the inside of the glass. Again, this is optional. Then we will put the ice cubes in it. After doing it, we will have to pour the milk into the glass. We fill about 3/4 of the glass with milk. Then we will pour the mixture on top of the milk very carefully. Now we will add 1 chocolate piece on top of it. And I've also added some coffee powder. You can use chocolate powder also. So our Dalgona coffee is ready and it looks like this. Now just stir it a bit and drink the perfect Dalgona coffee. You can get the same recipe in Bengali on our channel. The link will be given in the description box below. Please hit the like button if you liked this video, share this video with all your friends and family, comment what you liked or disliked. Also tell us what you want to see next. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.